So when it's raining outside, at some point, the sun will break through, and then there is a chance of a rainbow. Rainbows bring a sense of hope and promise. Always really enjoy looking at a rainbow. And if you're really lucky, you can see a double rainbow. This is Bright Future Baking, and I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow cookie. And this is what you'll need. Sugar cookie dough, so your favorite recipe, or if you don't have a lot of time, you can always get the sugar cookie dough at the stores. Crystal sugar and food coloring. So let's get started. So you're going to want to take some cookie dough and divide it into 6 equal pieces. And once you do that, go ahead and put it into a bowl. You're going to put some food coloring in there. And then we have our red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Now, traditionally, the colors of in a rainbow are Roy G. Biv, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Indigo is kind of a cross between purple and a blue. So we're just going to go ahead and do the 6 colors like this. So once you go ahead and do that, and make sure to put it in a bowl and stir it with a spoon. Otherwise, you're going to get like some color on you. So you can use some gloves if you want to. I do use reusable gloves that you could use in the kitchen over and over. Anyways, so what you're going to go ahead and do that, you're going to go ahead and take your first ball, and we're going to roll this out. And we just put this as a compostable baking paper. So you're just going to want to roll it out and just keep rolling it. And we're just going to keep rolling it. And we're going to roll all of these colors out to the same size. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so once you have your cookie dough all rolled out, we're just going to make it into a line like this. And we're going to go ahead and put our red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. And then we're going to slowly just roll it over each other with our little parchment paper there. All right, and once we go do that, we're just going to go ahead and just put that together. And then we're going to get some scissors and we're going to trim that. All right, so once we go ahead and roll that, you're going to unroll it. Just make sure that it's like nicely bonded together. You can see there's the nice colors there. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and just cut it. And we're going to cut it, you can cut it as thick or thin as you like. So it looks like something like that. So you're just going to keep cutting it. And then once we go ahead and cut this, what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of squish it together a little bit. And then we're going to take just like a glass right here. We're going to lightly push against it and just slightly turn as we're doing it. And then you just take it off there and it looks like a nice, very colorful cookie. And then once you do that, you're going to go ahead and take your crystal sugar and just put it in like that. So once again, you just go ahead and cut it. And then just go ahead and kind of push it like that. And then we're going to take our cup and you're just going to put it on there and then just circle as you go. And then go ahead and take that off. And then go ahead and put your crystal sugar on it. Okay, so nice and crystally. These are some really colorful cookies. I really like this because it's nice for, any celebration, a birthday, going to a friend's house, just a rainy day, just anything to really celebrate. So we're going to push it down and we're going to go ahead and just turn it. Then we're going to take it off the cup and put it in the crystal sugar. All right, so once you've done that with all of your little rainbow log there, you go ahead and put it in the oven. All right, so once a cookie is baked and cooled, it looks something like this. It's really colorful, kind of a fun cookie. You could use it for any time. Like I said, like a rainy day, cheer up a friend, whatever you feel like. A rainbow means something different to everyone. But I think rainbows bring a little luck. So let's look at the finished product. There we go. How cool is that? Well, I want to thank you very much for watching. I hope you get a chance to try this out and check out some of our more interesting videos also. Be sure to subscribe and let's make the world a better place.